How to do, make a car run on biodiesel. If you have the right kind of car, switching to biodiesel is as easy as filling up your tank. If you don't, you will need to make some modifications. Follow these steps to learn exactly what to do. Instructions. Step 1. Replace your fuel filters after using 2 or 3 tanks of biodiesel so they won't get clogged, especially if you drive an older model car. Quick tip: biodiesel tends to churn up the gunk that is left over from petroleum diesel. Once it's gone, the biodiesel will naturally keep your components clean. Step 2. Enjoy the satisfaction of driving a cleaner running, more environmentally friendly car. Did you know, biodiesel is made from renewable vegetable oils, recycled cooking oils, or animal fat that are filtered and treated to run safely and cleanly in cars. Quick tip: in cold weather, use a blend that is winterized or has a lower biodiesel content, such as B2, or fill your tank partially with petroleum diesel. It's okay to mix biodiesel and regular diesel. Step 3. Fill up your tank with biodiesel. Blends, such as B5 or B10, are mixed with petroleum diesel, while full-strength biodiesel is called B100. Quick tip: many newer cars are already equipped with synthetic lines and seals. Step 4. Have a mechanic clean your fuel tank if the car is old. Cleaning the tank removes built-up diesel debris that can cause problems when you switch to biodiesel. Step 5. Don't use biodiesel in a 2007 or later model car. These usually have a diesel particulate filter that is regenerated with a post-combustion injection engine. Step 6. Replace rubber fuel lines and seals on older cars with synthetic parts. Over time, biodiesel, especially concentrations above B20, eats away at rubber components.